Alright, how's everybody doing this evening? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And this evening what we have for everyone is this is my follow-up / wrap-up video with the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. So I think it's time, y'all. Now if you check out all my extended coverage on this device, I actually left an Easter egg at the end of one of my video clips stating that I was going to hold on to this for the long haul. But after thinking about it and looking at my smartphone collection, it's a great device, don't get me wrong, but I just want to move on to something else, and I don't really want to have it sitting here collecting dust. So I think it's about time that I, go ahead and give y'all my final thoughts on it, and then we're gonna factory reset it and package it up and get it ready to be sold and put that money back into the channel and potentially pick up something else down the line. So here we go with my follow-up / wrap-up video on the Y9 Prime 2019. Now, some of the things that I absolutely love about this device is I love the build quality. It's got a nice hefty weight to it in the hands. The buttons are very tactile and clicky. All that good stuff is here. I like the camera layout and all of the camera features. The always active capacitive fingerprint sensor and that big beautiful bezel-less display with no cutouts. Really good stuff, y'all, in my opinion. Alright, and there's some software features that I really like about this device as well. The fact that I can configure the buttons, all that good stuff. And the battery life, that's another good aspect of this device. And also that it also incorporates a 3.5mm headphone jack and USB Type-C. Can't beat that at all. Okay, now some of the things that I feel Huawei can improve upon with their next iteration of this device. Well, one area is the shifting for the contrast or the exposure in the cameras. This thing has really harsh exposure shifting sometimes, and it will really throw you off. So Huawei, you guys definitely gotta tweak the color science in the camera software and get some of that exposure shifting cut down. Okay. Another thing that I feel that they need to tweak, this battery needs to be slightly bigger. Granted, yes, I did say the battery life on this is really good, but it can be better, especially after experiencing devices like the Motorola Moto G7 Power. Oh yes, this battery life can be much better. So Huawei, you guys definitely got to throw in a better and bigger battery, and definitely you got to consider throwing in some faster charging. Okay, other than that, I have to say this is a really solid device. And the last big gripe that I have with it is the software and the skin itself. Now this software is really good and it's very feature packed, yeah, no doubt, but the learning curve on the software itself is extremely high. So Huawei, you guys definitely got to cut down on some of that learning curve. Maybe you might even want to release a version of your device with stock Android. You may even want to consider releasing a device to the Android One program. This way you just provide the hardware and Google provides the software, and trust me, that device will sell like hotcakes. You won't believe how good that device will sell, especially with these cameras, these displays that you guys got, and all the good stuff that I've already talked about. But the Achilles heel for me with this device would be the exposure on the cameras, as I already said, and that strict learning curve for the software. Other than that, I feel as though this is a really solid device. And as of the recording of this follow-up / wrap-up video, this bad boy is going for a really great price. I think in the used market, you can get one of these for about $165. to $200, and brand new, you're looking at paying anywhere from about $215 to $225, depending on where you get it from. So at that price, this definitely does make this device a compelling option as to one of the more budget-centric options to pick up if you're in the market for a new device. Okay? So that pretty much does it for this follow-up / wrap-up video. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed it and you found it helpful. And as always, I'll link up all of my coverage on this device, including the purchasing links that you can find this device at some really great prices for, down below in the video description. So down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright? This whole video here this evening was recorded using the rear-facing 25 megapixel primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy A50 in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. And this time I decided to mix it up a little bit. We are using the recording app from the KiMaster video editing application available on the Play Store. I'll also leave links to that video, my editing process video, down below in the video description as well. And I gotta say, this is really cool because now I could take this straight into the editing software and bang everything all out all in one sitting. So really good stuff. Also, there is no external audio being used tonight, so let me know what y'all think of the overall video quality as well as the overall audio quality on the Samsung Galaxy A50 down below in the comments. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. Alright, let's get this video wrapped up so we can get this factory reset and boxed up and put it up for sale on the internet and see what type of offers we can get. Hope everyone enjoyed this one. I hope y'all have a great evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. We out of here.